So let's talk about planning your website. A good way to get started is really just a brainstorm. So pick up like a piece of paper and a pencil and just kind of start drawing out ideas, mapping through user interfaces, how the pages connect to each other, and different concepts you want to get across to your user. Another good idea is to create a simple flow diagram or a flow chart that will show how all of the site pages map together. So each square here represents a different web page, and this gives you an idea that from the home page you can get to the contacts page or a discography page, and then once you're on the discography page you can also get to a lyrics page or a sample tracks page. In addition to flow diagrams, it's also nice to build mock-ups of the actual web pages themselves, where content will go, where images will go, and this will help you decide what content to include in the website and also kind of the sizing and spatial relationships of different things. Additionally, if you want to make something a little more polished, you can also use digital mock-up tools. Applications like Balsamiq and Mockingbird are a great way to get started building digital mock-ups. You also have mobile mock-ups available, so you can even plan out responsive sites on smaller devices. As we start building our project, we're going to be dealing with a lot of different files, and it's really important to stay organized and to keep everything well maintained. So what we're going to do is for each site project we build, we're going to have a common parent folder that's going to contain all of the sub-files and folders within that website. And you can see here there's some pretty strict naming conventions in terms of what we actually name these folders. And the nice thing about this is that anyone else who looks at our code is going to know exactly what to expect when they come across these folders. This is going to be useful when collaborating with others and also make it so that it's really hard to lose things along the way. We usually name the parent folder after the project itself. So if I were building a site for Sam's stamp collection, this would probably be called the Sam Stamp Collection folder here. And then within that you can see we have a CSS folder, which is going to contain all of our cascading style sheets, which will give style to our web pages. And we also have a fonts folder containing all of our special web fonts. And we also have an images folder that's going to contain all of our compressed images, and also a JS folder which will contain all of our external JavaScript files, as well as an HTML page for each page in the website.